Easy toilet renovation DIY tips. Tired of the same old look in your bathroom? A toilet renovation doesn't have to be complicated or costly. In this video, we'll show you how to give your toilet area a fresh new vibe with easy, budget-friendly DIY tips that anyone can tackle. Changing fixtures like the toilet seat, handle, or paper holder can make a big impact. Opt for modern designs or unexpected finishes like matte black or brass to instantly upgrade the look. These small, affordable changes deliver major style points without requiring professional help. No one likes bathroom clutter. Incorporate floating shelves, baskets, or over-the-toilet units for extra storage. These not only keep essentials organized but also add a decorative touch. Plus, you can customize them by painting or staining to match your style. Nothing refreshes a space like new paint. Choose a calming neutral or a bold accent color for the wall behind your toilet area. Even repainting old cabinets or the baseboards can breathe life into the space. It's an instant transformation that fits any budget. The finishing touches make the difference. Add plants for a fresh vibe, swap out an old bath mat for something chic, or hang art or a simple frame for personality. These easy additions make your toilet space feel inviting and stylish. Now's your chance to upgrade your bathroom without the stress or expense. Follow these simple tips to create a space you love to use. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY ideas, like the video, and comment below with questions or your favorite renovation hacks. Let's get started today.